Well, good morning. Today is February 23rd. It is officially 4 weeks post-op. I'm doing pretty good. Doing my thing on my spin bike here at the moment. Just cycling the knee joint around and keeping things fluid. Everything is going really good. Pain is pretty minimal, except sort of late afternoons or about 3 in the morning. I'll get sort of a surge, which is uncomfortable enough that I've either been taking half of a 10 milligram Percocet or one Tylenol, one ibuprofen. And that's been managing it, trying to stay away from the Percocet at all, but sometimes at 3 in the morning it's just a little much, kind of a burning and dull ache combination at the same time. Been driving since week 3. Started walking a day or two ago after the x-rays that I'll show you at the end of this clip, and pulled the stereo strips off the other day just because it'd been a month and they were still stuck on. So lots of numbness in the area of the surgery. Apparently that's normal. Feels really weird though to have that whole part of my leg be dead, but otherwise doing pretty good. As you'll see in a minute, the x-rays look great. That 18 millimeter open wedge is filled in probably about 95%. It's not solidified bone yet, but just to see the fact that the bone is growing rapidly in there in just 4 weeks is a great sign. I'll have a follow-up in 2 more weeks, and then hopefully we can get a schedule set for the next surgery for the left leg, and then get this process moving along towards completion. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.